Imagine two plates. One holds raw salmon over rice. Maybe it holds thin tuna slices. Most people call it sushi. Most people eat it without fear. The other plate holds raw chicken. Suddenly, nobody feels hungry. Both plates contain raw animal protein. Neither plate touched heat. No pan was used. No grill was used. Yet they feel completely different. Raw fish can seem elegant. Raw chicken feels dangerous. Raw pork sounds worse. Raw beef comes with caution. So why is raw fish accepted? Why does raw meat feel wrong? Your reaction is not random. It may be spotting a real pattern. The answer is not fish versus meat. The answer is distance. Distance from the animal. Distance from its organisms. Distance in temperature. Distance in evolution. Distance in history. Stay till the end. The last part will completely change how you think about this. You will understand raw fish. You will understand raw chicken fear. You will understand hidden danger. Raw fish is not a modern trend. Coastal people ate it long ago. Japan has ancient seafood evidence. This happened before sushi had a name. Peru also built a raw fish tradition. Ceviche used citrus instead of heat. Coastal communities needed practical food. Fresh catches needed preserving. Raw seafood became a solution. It was survival food. Raw fish is ancient human food. But parasites still scare people. That fear makes sense. Anisakis is a small worm. It can live inside fish flesh. Salmon can carry it. Cod can carry it. Mackerel can carry it. A live worm can enter your stomach. It can reach the stomach lining. This can cause Anisakis. The cramps can be painful. Vomiting can happen. Some cases need hospital treatment. That sounds terrifying. But modern handling changes everything. Raw fish is usually frozen first. The FDA requires freezing. This applies to fish eaten raw. Regular freezing can last 7 days. Commercial freezing can work faster. Colder temperatures kill parasites. The freezer solves the main problem. There is no magic sushi ritual. There is careful freezing. Good sushi restaurants do this. The fish is frozen before serving. The parasite risk is reduced first. Not all fish carry equal risk. Freshwater fish host more parasites. Ocean fish often carry fewer. Traditional sushi favored ocean species. River fish were less suitable. Salmon is more complicated. Salmon uses freshwater and saltwater. Farmed salmon became a safer choice. Controlled farms reduce parasite exposure. Wild salmon brings more uncertainty. The ocean is not perfectly safe. It is safer in specific ways. Those ways matter for raw food. Now compare raw meat. The biggest danger is often bacteria, not just worms. Raw beef can carry bacteria. Raw poultry can carry bacteria. E. coli is one example. Salmonella is another. Campylobacter is another. These bacteria know warm bodies. They evolved in mammals and birds. Humans are warm-blooded too. Our bodies feel familiar to them. Chickens have warm internal bodies. Cows have warm internal bodies. Humans have warm internal bodies. Their bacteria can adapt easily. That is the frightening part. Chicken shows this clearly. Campylobacter causes many illnesses. It causes over 1 million yearly cases. This happens in the United States. Raw chicken is a common source. Undercooked chicken is risky too. Public health agencies track it closely. Raw chicken disgust feels real. Raw tuna feels different. Fish bacteria lack the same advantage. Think about a cod. A cod lives in freezing water. That cold would harm a human. Cod bacteria are cold specialists. A human intestine is very warm. It is around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold bacteria struggle there. They cannot compete easily. They did not evolve for us. They do not feel at home inside us. Disease ecologists describe this pattern. It is called phylogenetic distance. The idea is simple. Pathogens jump easier between relatives. Similar hosts share similar biology. Similar biology makes crossing easier. This explains raw pork fear. Pigs share much biology with humans. Raw pork once carried major danger. Trichinella spiralis was one parasite. It causes trichinosis. Old communities noticed the damage. They watched people get sick. Undercooked pork caused harm. Raw sausage caused harm too. Early cases were numerous. Thousands of infections happened yearly. Many were linked to pork. Farming rules later improved. Animal feed rules improved too. Public health campaigns helped. Cases dropped sharply. Only a few cases appear today, but the fear remained. The warning stayed across generations. People remembered the consequences. Then comes evolution. Salmon are distant from humans. Their shared ancestor lived long ago. The split happened around 400 million years ago. That is a huge biological gap. Salmon organisms became unlike ours. They became poor at surviving in us. Cows are much closer to humans. Their organisms face a smaller gap. They can cross more easily. Danger can rise with closeness. Push that idea further. Primate meat becomes extremely risky. Chimpanzee bushmeat is one example. Gorilla bushmeat is another. These foods linked to deadly disease, jumps. HIV came from a chimpanzee virus. It crossed into humans through contact. This happened long before discovery. Primates are very close to us. Their pathogens face less resistance. The biological bridge is shorter. But biology is not everything. Culture changes food disgust. Raw meat is accepted in many places. France has steak tartare. Lebanon has kibbeh naye. Korea has yukoi. Italy has carpaccio. These dishes are not fringe foods. They have long histories. They appear in serious restaurants. Raw meat disgust is often learned. It depends on culture and experience.